Hi, welcome to our introductory call for our program called Unstuck. 8 steps to be successful, to setting goals, and most important, seeing it through. I am Vanita Chaudhary, founder of Radical Edge Learning Consultants and Gemini. I have my good friend, colleague, and my brother in creating fantastic modules, which we've been doing for years now, Anirban Roy Chaudhary from Kolkata. Anirban, why don't you introduce quickly and then I go with mine.
Hello, hi everybody. I am Anirban. I am from Kolkata, and I'm working with Vanita for ages now. I don't remember how long. And this program is actually to introduce you to the beautiful concepts that we have acquired in NLP and emotional intelligence. So which we are going to share with powerful 8 steps with you.
I think being in corporate for 22 years and last 4 years running my own company, many a times as human beings we get stuck either with failing thoughts or sometimes stuck with situations which force us to think that we cannot be successful. And because I've been in those situations many a times, and I've also figured out methodologies that I can be successful, including the COVID situation. And I think many of the people don't know that I started my new company called Gemini in the month of April in midst of the pandemic. And that says that, this is just not a program that we want to deliver. This is our life examples, methodologies and tools that we are going to use in from emotional intelligence and neuro-linguistic programming, which I'm sure going to benefit a lot many more people than just you and me. So the whole idea of unstuck is get away from your negative thoughts, negative ideas, negative situations, and see how you can be successful.
Oh, that's brilliant.
Yeah.
The first thing that I can talk about is how am I feeling right now? What are my feelings? What are my pulses? What are the things that is going in my mind? So that's the first thing that should be my objective for registering this, and then based on that I can set my goals. Yeah, so goals may be a short-term or a long-term goal based on the current situation that I have. And then very importantly is to achieve those goals, I need to set up some habits. You know, Vanita, NLP and AI combined, they give you a lot of ideas on how to set yourself up for setting a good habit. However, there will be mistakes. There is definitely mistakes that should not put us down. So that's one of the objectives. How do we handle mistakes? And accordingly developing a nature of success. So a habit of success that I can call it. And again, my objective would be everybody in this pandemic is getting a little bit down, and I'm sure you will be covering something on how to stay motivated, stay focused on my goals.
Sure.
And where there would be challenges. So I would be looking forward to how do I handle my challenges. So these are the objectives that I can think of.
Anirban, I think even before I talk about the pricing, I want to tell what this program covers. First of all, you have 2 lead facilitators who have around 60 years of experience. And this is just not a program. This is a life skill. Something that what you learn today will be useful forever in your life. And also you can pass this kind of wisdom, wise nuggets to many of your other family, friends, and if you are an owner of a company, to your employees, right? So other than all these things that you will learn within the classroom, we also have an assessment, we have a questionnaire, we have a workbook. We also have decided to help you 1 month post the program that you can get either help from me or Anirban or both of us. You can have either a mentorship or a coach session with us. And most important, you will also meet people in group where you can share some common objectives and see that you help each other to walk through.
So brilliant.
And for all these,
just for networking also, is it?
Absolutely. And for all these, we are actually charging very, very low, and that is just 8,000 rupees inclusive of GST. You don't even have to pay extra GST. So that technically comes to around, say, 1,000 odd rupees for an hour. Yeah, it's even lesser than that, some 900 odd per hour. So yeah.